it's your girl K Laude, and I'm back with another video. So today video, I'm going to be doing some mini twist, a mini twist protective style. And as you can see, I moisturize my hair. Your girl is coming a long way. I've been taking some tips, and my curls are starting to pop after my washes. Y'all gonna be coming through a journey with me, and y'all gonna be seeing my hair change after a lot of my videos, because I be learning and I be taking notes, and I'm trying. So y'all gonna be going through a process with me with my hair journey, with my natural hair journey and that. But so my hair looks like this because I just washed it. I shampooed, conditioned, and put leave-in conditioner while I was in the shower, and I put a moisturizer protein in my hair. So that's why it looks like this. And y'all can still see some of that product in there because I sat under my shower cap for about 10 minutes. So I was letting it soak through my hair, and my curls are really starting to show more and more as I go through different washes and different products. My hair starts to show its natural curls every time I do use a different product or do something different to my hair. So the products that I use is still Not Your Mother's Natural. I'm still using this until I start another product. I'm gonna be using Extreme Gel and the curling cream, and I'm also be using rubber bands because when I do my natural twist out, the tops be poofy, and I want to wear this down for a few days. So using the rubber bands, and I'm gonna be putting some black castor oil. I'm gonna be using my denim brush, and yeah, let's get into this video.
How are ya?
At this point, I was just so amazed that my hair was just this moisturized. I've never seen my hair just this moisturized. Then I started adding the curling cream, and I was so amazed on how just the curling cream made my hair coil up at this point. As I was continuing putting the curling cream in, I also started putting the extreme gel in, and I found out that I made an amazing combo, but I'll do a video on it later. Look how those curls was just popping together. To separate the hair, you would add the rubber bands, and I was pulling on the rubber bands to make them tighter, but they did not feel tight on my head at all. Then you start twisting a regular twist and a coil at the end, and you have a twist. Like I said, this combo was amazing, and I'll be doing a video on it soon. Thank y'all for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.